Plants with woody stems and buds that remain dormant above ground during the winter are called woody plants. In harsh winters, the latter typically wither and perish. They may still have standing brown or tan stalks, but they are completely dead. If the plants are perennial, however, the plant portions that dwell underground will continue to thrive until the next spring. When most people think of woody plants, images of trees and bushes often come to mind. However, some vines also fit this description, and this is 6 grapevines that are woody plants. Number 1. Hardy kiwi vine. The hardy kiwi vine is a close relative of the vine that produces supermarket kiwis. Depending on the type, this cold hardy plant can be cultivated in USDA hardiness zones 3 through 9. Like its tropical relative, has a delicious edible fruit, albeit one that is slightly smaller than the standard kiwi. The heart-shaped leaves of the hardy kiwi plant are the main reason it is used as a landscaping element. Trellises, fences, pergolas, and other sturdy structures are ideal for this climber's development. Number 2. Oriental Bittersweet. The glossy leaves and orange berries on twining woody stems of Oriental Bittersweet are lovely, so it's no surprise that florists in arts and crafts, people enjoy to use the vines to wreaths and other autumn decorations. Originally from Asia, was brought to the United States in the 1860s for use as an aesthetic landscape feature, but has since broken out of its garden confines. It is a fast-growing, aggressive climber that may swiftly take over an area and kill even enormous trees if left unchecked. When ingested by people or animals, bittersweet can have deadly consequences, tolerating temperatures from 4 to 8 degrees Celsius. Number 3. Boston ivy. Growing this deciduous perennial woody vine is a breeze, but it will likely require occasional pruning to keep it under control. Boston ivy, while not as troublesome as English ivy, can still cause harm if left unattended, especially to wood siding, gutters, and roofing. Not only contributes summer greens, but also autumn hues. The newest leaves on a Boston ivy plant are a bright red in the spring. In the summer, the leaves often take on a green hue, only to revert to their autumnal scarlet hue, which can survive in zones 4 through 8. Number 4. Climbing hydrangea. Hydrangea animala, sometimes known as climbing hydrangea, adds visual interest to walls and fences by flowing gracefully along them with all the charm of a regular hydrangea bush. Flowers may not appear for 3 to 5 years on a climbing hydrangea plant. Once planted, this showpiece can grow to a height of 50 feet or more and bloom fragrantly all summer long. The entire plant, including the roots and leaves, is poisonous to canines, felines, and equines, so grow it with caution. Climbing hydrangeas can withstand temperatures between 4 to 8. Number 5. Dutchman's pipevines. It's a fast grower that has the potential to reach 20 or 30 feet in height when fully mature. Although pipevines normally flower in early summer, its best characteristic is its foliage, which is best enjoyed when planted in the spring. Its dense foliage can be used for a variety of purposes, including providing welcome shade during the hot summer months and shielding private spaces from prying eyes. Ingesting any part of this plant, from the bark and leaves to the sap and blooms or fruit, can have serious consequences. This is a plant that can survive in zones 4 to 8. Number 6. Japanese honeysuckle. The Japanese honeysuckle vine is a hardy perennial that is evergreen in warmer regions, but deciduous in colder ones. White blooms bloom in the late spring and early summer on this woody vine with oval, hairy leaves that twines around other plants and structures. Many gardeners were duped by its beautiful blooms and extended bloom time into planting it, only to find out too late that it is a very invasive species that has escaped domestication and is now displacing local flora. Zones 5 to 8 are fine for the Japanese honeysuckle's survival. Well, thanks for watching video from Catchy Garden. Don't forget to click like and subscribe button to always support our channel. You can also turn on the notification bell to get the latest videos from us. We'll see you in the next videos.